Alright, so today we are at the magical world of Disney. We came to Epcot, and yeah, woohoo! Woohoo! We chose Epcot because it's the only park that was available for the weekend that we were visiting Orlando. No, we chose it so we could drink. Yeah, that might have been part of it. But yeah, with the COVID measures and stuff, there's certain, like they only allow a certain amount of guests into the park, so you have to reserve your tickets beforehand. And yeah, we reserved these maybe 2 weeks ago. And not even?
Like a week and a half ago?
A week and a half ago? That's a week and a half ago. Yeah, we were only able to get into Epcot because everything else was booked. Oh, the big golf ball. Look guys, it's Mickey Mouse and Minnie. You got the Toodles. Oh, Toodles. We just went into Mouse Gear and got some ears. I got the Ariel set. Jessica got these cute sequin Minnie Mouse ones, polka dots. Oh, ran right into you. I got these really pretty pink and purple sequin boys. So cute. Alright, so we waited in line for the orange line, got nearly to the front, and we kind of psyched ourselves out and decided let's switch to the green line, which is a non-intense, a less intense version. It's actually our first ride of the day, and like we just got, you know, just started our day, so we didn't want to, like, you know, if we did get sick. Yeah, we got drinks to drink, we got food to eat, we got other rides to ride, other things to see, pictures to take. So we didn't want to like start off and like if we did end up getting motion sickness, feeling sick and crappy and dizzy and gross for the rest of the day and ruin the day. So we're gonna come back maybe at the end and give the orange line a try. But for now we're just gonna do green. Just keep it safe. Y'all let me know if you guys have done this, what's it called? Mission Space. And if you got sick, if you did the orange one, let me know. The rides are socially distanced, so typically there should be somebody, like a team on team 4 there, but there's not. We're just team 5, and yeah, there's only it's half capacity.
Attention astronaut candidates, you have selected green team, less intense training.
Trigger the landing sequence.
Ow, my ear.
Oh, my ear.
What are we doing? Initiate first stage separation.
Pilot, initiate first stage separation. Where is it? Did I do it? Oh, I did it. Woo! Oh.
I'm hating on Ariel for not vlogging.
Because I'm usually not, but sometimes I am. We're going in the big ball, the big wolf ball, the spaceship wolf. Woo! This with the pro? This with the pro? Let's go.
Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions for us. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready? Let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future.
Oh my
Here in
god.
your future, getting away on vacation is a breeze. Your smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you'll need. And with solar power from your home fueling
it's
station,
that.
you're off. You won't have to worry about your pets while you're gone, thanks to handy household robots. You leave your country home in an ultra-light, ultra-powerful, totally networked family car that can take you anywhere. Since you like to wing it, your virtual travel agent gives you options for hotels and restaurants along the way. You can just relax and take things as they come.
Hi, buddies. Hi, buddies. Oh, look at that little face. Wow. Hi, little homie. Oh, dolphin. I think it's a turtle. I don't know if he's a real turtle or not. That fish eating his ass. You fake? I think he's fake. Oh no, you're is he moving? Yeah. Oh, he's moving. Whoa. Hi. Hello. Hello, shark. Sandals are so weird. Why y'all built like that? Why y'all built like that? Alright, it's the end of the night and we're going home. It was a fun day at Epcot. Look at the pretty ball. Ooh, glowing. I think it's a lot. So we're at Sugar Factory. It's our last day. And I'll probably head to the airport after this. But they have these really cool drinks. Those huge, like huge goblets or whatever. Yeah. And then some crazy milkshakes on their menu. And like other desserts. So yeah, we'll see what we decide to do.
No, we're still deciding.
Or like if you're celebrating something, you pay extra $5 and you can pick a song. And like, when I first started this vlog, it was really noisy. And that's what someone was celebrating a birthday, so you can pick a song and stuff. It's pretty cool. But anyway, yep, that's what we're doing. So here's some of the milkshakes and how crazy they look. And I was really excited to get this pink Make-A-Wish one because it's freaking pink. You don't know that, you know, I want to be a little, I'm an e-girl or whatever. So I was like, I need to get the pink one. Obviously aesthetic. But they are discontinuing it, so they don't have it available. So you guys have to wait and see what I got instead. Alright, so I got the bacon strawberry shake. I forgot what it was called, but look at that. How cute. Little burger on top. Ava got this sugar daddy cheesecake, boy. How cute. It's got cheesecake, vanilla ice cream, caramel, sugar daddy pop, and a little lollipop. Wow. And also a giant piece of cheesecake on top. Alright, so that's the end of that vlog. Oh, sorry, it's such an abrupt ending there. I didn't realize I didn't vlog anything else. But yeah, it was a really fun trip. It was really good to see my bestie Jessica and my bestie Ava. Haven't seen Ava since we left Korea. So that was really awesome to see her. And then to have two of my besties who had never met each other in one place at one time. It was a win-win for me. It was a win-win for me. But yeah, after we finished up at the sugar factory, Jessica went and dropped us off at the airport. And then Ava and I went home, and yeah, now we're home. So yeah, it was a really fun trip. I had a really good time. So thanks Ava, thanks Jessica. Appreciate you guys for meeting up and having a little girls trip together. I was really impressed with Disney and the measurements they had in place for COVID and stuff. So that was really nice. I felt really safe there. The lines where they had the lines physically distanced. There's hand sanitizer everywhere. They did not play about masks. Like, you had to keep your mask on at all times unless you were eating or drinking. And if you were eating or drinking, you can't walk and eat and drink. Like, you have to stop. You have to be stationary to eat and drink. They had the tables blocked off. They had benches like tables like every other table, like blocked off, you know, kind of thing, so that you're not sitting like right next to each other. They had like benches, like every other like bench blocked off. And in the lines, when there's a moment, there were rarely any moments in line where you would be standing right by another group, like standing side by side. Like, so say if you're going like this way and then the line wraps around and it comes back this way, you know what I mean? Like like those lines like right next to each other like that like didn't exist. And if they did exist, they had a like plexi like glass thing that they put up between them, so there was like a physical barrier there. And yeah, and I feel like there weren't a lot. We went on Easter weekend, like on Easter day, like, and so there were a lot of people, I think, well, because you know it's a holiday slash spring break, those types of things. But even then, I just feel like it wasn't too crowded, so it was really nice because they had like, you know, like capacity limit of how many people they let in, and the rides are physically distanced. So I feel like now's the best time to go to Disney in a pandemic, like. But yeah, oh, I bought a couple things. Let me show you. I got these Crocs too while I was out there. Aren't they like so cute? Maybe, maybe not. Maybe someone might hate them, but I think they're adorable. That I had to get 2 flavors. They're mad comfy too. I wore the black ones all day at Disney, and my feet hurt a bit like by the end of the day, but I feel like they did not hurt as much as they would have normally. So these are pretty comfy. My feet are ashy and crusty, but look at them. Just look at them. They're just so cute. Like, aren't they? Maybe. Maybe not. I also got this hoodie too from Icon Park. We went on the wheel. So it's pretty cool. And then it has all like the facts on it about the wheel on the back of it. That was cute. Alright, so yeah, that's the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, hope you're all staying happy, staying healthy, staying safe. And I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye.